Hello. Today, we're going to learn how to add new fonts to Google Docs in a few quick steps. Let's get started. First, go to the top menu and click on Extensions. Then choose Add-ons and click Get Add-ons. In the search bar, type Extensis Fonts. Make sure to select the one that matches the logo you see on the screen. Click Install. Then choose your Google account and allow access to connect the add-on to Google Docs. After a few seconds, the installation will be complete. Now, go back to Extensions, find Extensis Fonts, and click Start. A new sidebar will appear on the right side of your screen. From here, you can scroll through and pick any font you like. Just highlight your text and click on a font to apply it instantly. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more short and helpful tutorials from The Boring Content. Thanks for watching.